WhatsApp is a free instant messaging app available for Android and iOS. In this video, we will show you the latest features added to WhatsApp. WhatsApp is constantly adding new features to improve the user experience. First feature we will show you is video messages for your chats. On the main screen of the app, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, tap on Settings option. You will see a menu that contains settings related to the app and your account. Tap on Chat option to view the settings related to your chats. By default, video messages is disabled on WhatsApp and you can turn on this option to enable it. Tap on Back button at the top and then open the chat in which you want to send a video message. Tap on the Voice Record button at the bottom to change it to Video Message button. Now tap and hold the Video Message button. Your message will now start recording on WhatsApp. To switch between the front and back camera, tap on this button. Scroll this button upwards to lock the video and view more options related to the video message. You can stop the recording by tapping on the Stop button at the bottom. You can delete the video by tapping on Delete button or send it by tapping on Send. The video message will be sent and can be played by tapping on it. The next feature that was recently added to WhatsApp is called email verification. You can enable this feature by going to Settings, and then tapping on Account. Here you will see all the different settings related to your WhatsApp account. Tap on Email Address option. Here you tap on the blank space to enter the email you want to add for WhatsApp. Make sure to use an email that you are currently using as you will get a verification code on this email. Now tap on Next button at the bottom. Open the email you receive from WhatsApp and copy the code in the email. Paste the code in WhatsApp and tap on Verify button at the bottom to confirm your email. This email will help you to keep your account safe and it isn't visible to other users. You can change the email or add another email by tapping on Edit option in front of the email address. Enter the new email and tap on Next button at the bottom to change the email. WhatsApp also added the feature to add multiple accounts on one mobile device. To add an additional account, go to Settings menu and tap on Account option. In this menu tap on the Add Account option. You will see a pop-up menu at the bottom where you can tap on Add Account button. You can select the language by tapping here and then tap on Agree and Continue button at the bottom. You can select your country by tapping on this button and then selecting a country from the provided options. Enter the phone number you want to add in the blank space and tap on Next button at the bottom. WhatsApp also added some features that provide user privacy in the latest app update. To access these features, go to Settings and tap on the Privacy option. Here you can view different settings related to your privacy on the app. The first new privacy option that was recently added to WhatsApp allows you to hide your IP address from callers. You can enable it by scrolling to the end of the menu and tapping on Advanced option. If you turn on this option, it will prevent the hackers or scammers from accessing your location. Tap on the button in front of the option to enable it. WhatsApp also added the feature to block calls from any unknown numbers. You can do this by tapping on this option. Tap on this button to enable the feature. This feature helps to prevent spam calls, however the calls will still appear in the call tabs and your mobile notifications as missed calls.